Look at this, guys. Oh my God. C8 Spider. If that's not giving you a wow factor, Jesus Christ. Rise and shine, people. Another beautiful Saturday morning with your boys, VFE. Visionary Foreign and Exotics, man. We are taking the Lamb out. Yeah, we're gonna go see what the people think of her out at San Clemente, South OC. Shout out to our guys, man, South OC. Cars and Coffee, always holding it down, always putting on that great Saturday. Stay tuned, guys. Hope you enjoy. Let's go check out Jeffrey's car real quick. Let's give him some love. Look at Jeffrey's reveal. Is it Tiffany blue?
Turquoise Dream.
Damn close. Turquoise Dream, guys. Check it out. It pops. Goddamn, it pops. That's for sure. I mean, you can't help but look at it when you pass by. This is our guy Jeffrey rocks with us. It was white, as you guys know. This is the reveal today. He says it's called what?
Turquoise Dream from Inoztech.
Okay, Turquoise Dream and Inoztech, top of the line stuff, guys. Yeah, I know you guys have heard about it. If you haven't, now you know. So what kind of Supra is this, Jeffrey? Let the people know.
Mark 5 2021 Supra.
Woo-wee.
Got it wrapped at status figure.
Status figure. Woo, look at that. That foreign boy. That E63S wrapped in that green though. Man. Koenigsegg. Big leap, guys, from the Huracan. One day, maybe. Beautiful piece of work, guys. You gotta respect that. That is a machine. We needed to get here earlier. Sheesh, this thing's packed.
We got here.
Oh, no, I told you, bro. We gotta get here like, you gotta get here like 7:30, man.
We got here at like 8.
Yeah.
And
Dump. What wheel gap? This is Jeffrey's old look right here. Now we got the new look. Bro, I love this. What wheel gap? Sick, bro. Hell yeah. Very cool. C8s. Oh man, look at the Jeep. I'm gonna get one of these, Jeffrey. I need to get one of these, bro. The TRX wasn't ready. The TRX wasn't ready to play with the big boys. This is cool, guys. Cool ass old Porsche. An old Speedster. Woo! Taking this up the coast, man. This thing's cool, right? Hey, Shelby owner, I need somebody to do a video with my TRX. You see this video, hit me up. That'd be a good video, right? TRX with the Shelby. Throw a big chain, hook them back to back, and do a tug of war. Let's see. You know what I mean? Hey, man, just something to give them, you know? I like this. This is beautiful. This thing is so cool. Cherry, man. BFE approved. Well done, my friend. That Fast and the Furious Lightning. Come on, guys. Part 1. Auto shop truck. Smurf out here. I like the wheel setup. Thank you for listening, Smurf. I'm telling you, way better than your old setup, man. Let's go. Ooh, look at that. Is yours? Oh, just a little bit of camber, right? A little bit of camber. You guys like it? Is it approved? Yeah, you gave us a thumbs up. Thank you, bro. Thank you. What? This is dope. This is tight. Come on, guys. See, these are the finds you find out here at South OC. Come out here and you find the gems. With this right here.
2-point belt on, you know?
4GT. Woo-wee. 4GT, guys. Biker boys. This thing's bad. Beautiful, brother. Hell yeah, man. I like your touches. Yes, sir. Yeah, man, the touches this guy gave.
I appreciate
Beautiful,
it,
man. Beautiful. Thanks, Take care, bro. Check him out. Check him out on IG, guys. Legend. How you doing, brother?
Good.
Good to see you, man. Well, so I know you already know it. But this thing's goddamn amazing. Woo! All right, guys. Always support those that support you. Our guy Mobe GTR. I know you guys see that Visionary Pure JDM right there supporting. Thank you, man. All love. That thing was awesome! All right, guys, we out here. LAX. Ready to get Mama V. We're in that Lamb. Daily driven for real, for real. We just met our guy. Plug your YouTube, bro. Plug your YouTube.
Hot Boy Gray on YouTube and TikTok. I do drifting. I have a 240. I'm kind of funny sometimes.
Let's go. Sometimes, bro, you might just enjoy what you see. Check it out, man. Check it out. Thank you guys for all the support, the love, and kind words and feedback, man, of encouragement. Thank you. We are doing this all in. Enjoy the show, man. All right, guys. We got Mama V back in action. Well guys, we are now, same day still, but event after event. We left LAX, dropped off Mama with the kids, ate, all that good stuff, met with the squad. Now we're back out here. Newport Beach, Lamborghini.
Hey, Frank. Your wristband for
Oh, thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Thank you guys. Keep cranking them, buddy. Keep cranking them. Pretty awesome. Let me get, it's a wow. It gives you the wow factor. There you go, bud. You're a Lamborghini owner.
Can I drive away?
Take it. Make sure you do a big donut on the way out, though. I like it. I like it. You're welcome, bud.
So low to the ground.
It is. Want to sit in it?
Yeah.
Go for it. Grab the handle. We're here for all the fans, so you guys enjoy. It's an experience, right?
Yeah.
Of course, of course. How you doing, boss? I love this color of this one, dude. It's dark gray. This thing, bro. Woo-wee. This is the spec right here. Don't get me wrong, man. Those two are dope as well. But this spec is stupid, bro. Drooling all over it. Look at the carbon work, bro. Ooh. Oh, the Triple F collection. Let's go. They brought out the Rogero. This thing's hot. Let's go. What up, baby? Whips on whips out here, fam.
My car too.
The Le Mans. The Lolos. That was the gem over here by itself. Oh, man. This thing's fire. Man. Special edition, guys. 765 LT, guys. Ooh, look at this. Look at those fenders, guys. Look at this, guys. Oh my God. C8 Spider. If that's not giving you a wow factor, Jesus Christ.
Dude, this guy just needs to put some pipes on this car, man.
I know, man. It sounds like fish, doesn't it? How we doing, brother? Good to see you guys.
Dude, I love your videos, man. I love them, man.
Thank you.
You're freaking tearing it up.
I'm trying,
man.
bro. I'm trying to spice it up a little bit. I'm gonna go inside, guys, because I need to go get that Batman car for you guys. We got it with the, I got 12%, so I'm about to lose it, bro. So we're gonna go get this Batman car for 911 Turbo S. All right, guys, we are inside, and I got 9%, so I need to do this quick. I've never seen this in person, so that's, come on, Batman car. From the real 1990, 89, oh my Lord. 89, guys, woo! Look at this thing. Look at that, guys. That is crazy. Switches. Sorry. Woo! Kit. Let's go, Kit.